Good afternoon, good evening, and hello. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Bak Carvings. Do not do this at home. This is dangerous as dangerous can be. I repeat, do not do this at home. I have a safety switch, foot pedal, whole 9 yards for this machine. Rubber gloves, all that good stuff. It is plugged up, but it is still turned off. When I turn it on, I will use my foot pedal, and that is off. Machine is powered on, plugged up. I am not touching anything around my box. Just my foot pedal.
Cables hiss like snakes, venom in the wire. Voltage jumps the gaps, arcs of blue fire. Corners hold shadows, secrets in the smoke. Grumpy laughs slow, his gears start to choke. Grumpy wants to ride, wheels spinning in the haze. Meds roll tight, they burn in smoky praise. Therapy in the clouds, the pain's unspoken. Like subscribe vibes, words cracked and broken.
Turn off the machine. The machine is turned off. That just did not burn too good, eh? I don't like it. Turn the machine back on.
Sharp reeks of ozone, madness in the air. Aliens whispering, static in their stare. Grumpy hums a hymn of twisted code. Rolling on the edge of an overloaded road. Grumpy wants to ride, wheels spinning in the haze. Meds roll tight, they burn in smoky praise. Therapy in the clouds, the pain's unspoken. Like subscribe
Machine is turned off.
And broken. Grumpy's in the shop, wires hum a death hymn. Electricity crawling, spark section in the resin. Aliens in the corner, shadows doing lessons. Blink twice, they vanish, dimension second guessing. Grumpy wants to ride, meds roll tight. Pain's a co-pilot, therapy's the flight. Smokes the sermon, preaching out of sight. Hit that light, hit that vibe, subscribe to the night. Circuit board sermons, static in the prayer. Oil stained altars, faith hangs in the air. Hiding in the chrome, reflections of despair. Aliens take notes like they
I
really
don't like
care.
the way this wood's burning.
Secrets etched in deep scars. History's a whisper, riding in these cars. The wheel turns slow, destination too far. Grumpy laughs slow, lights flicker like stars. Grumpy wants to ride, meds roll tight. Pain's a co-pilot, therapy's the flight. Smokes the sermon, preaching out of sight. Hit that light, hit that vibe, subscribe to the night.
Start off. It's unplugged. I gotta put it on the fan. Again, I forgot to turn on my little smoke scrubber.
Grumpy's in the shop, wires hiss, they scream. Electricity's crawling, it's carving.
Plugging it back up.
Aliens in the corner, blind domain.
Killing the light. Turning on the power and hitting the foot pedal. Look at that sparkle.
Therapy in the haze, made in pain, these are Grumpy's days. Click and clank, vibe sharp as a knife. Like and subscribe, this is Grumpy's life. Smoke, roll, stick, therapy in the haze, made in pain, these are Grumpy's days. Click and clank, vibe sharp as a knife.
Alright, we'll clean that up and see what it looks like. Everything's turned off. Power's unplugged. Oh, the Sparky show is over. Unplugged. Guys, to be careful doing this stuff, y'all. This stuff will get you. It is very cool, but it is very dangerous at the same time. Like I said, I have my safety steps that I try to be sure to follow every time I'm doing it. Dead man switch. I got my rubber gloves. Like I said, my rubber gloves are getting sketchy. They're kind of old, so I don't trust them. I never trusted holding the damn stuff, even wearing the gloves, so that was never an issue with me. But the gloves can be replaced. I cannot. Clean all that out and see what it looks like. Like I said, I don't like the way it burned. I wish it would have branched out better, but it is what it is. Thank you. Alright, that's one of my latest little pyro burn, Lichtenberg burns that I've done and filled with epoxy. It's not that big. That's my hand on there for reference. I'm going to make a key holder out of it. I've already attached a piece for the back of it to hang. There's I signed TR and then put the date on there. But this one's pretty cool. It's like, I guess, a regular pine board. I sanded it and then I did the Lichtenberg burn. I took my torch and I burned the edges and then took some golden oak stain and put one coat over top of it. And then polyurethaned it, and that's what we get. Oh, I gotta kill the overhead light. But boom, it's got the glow in the dark epoxy in there, of course. It looks real good in the dark too. I gotta get that on the switch. Awesome. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.